guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called AvatarPro, which is the world's first AI-based avatar builder platform that helps to create unlimited stunning videos in any niche in just 30 seconds plus pre-made video templates with built-in unique image and video editor. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $599 for you. So to learn more about it or to get instant access to it, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.